What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a somewhat brief new video on Amazon Kindle self-publishing. What I want to talk about today, really quickly, is just a little black hat trick to rank your books ahead of others. This trick works sometimes if Amazon overlooks what you did, and I tried to do it with my new book that I published today. Didn't pass through. I'm probably never going to use it again. Moving forward with my business, I will be trying to be more compliant and ethical. But this is something that I did, actually, as recent as a couple months ago to help rank my books. So, to dive in directly into what I'm talking about, this Python programming book right here, Blackhat, how coincidental, is something that I published. It is selling somewhat well. Python programming is one of the most saturated keywords for self-publishing as it relates to computer science. I've published 4 Python programming books, and to be honest, all the books look the same. All the books are described the same. I even thought, trying to find my books through the search results, that I would find mine, and it turned out to be someone else's because everyone's literally look the same. So, hint, if you want to get into this keyword ever, I don't really suggest it, but if you do, try to look different from everyone else, okay? That you need to be different, you need to differentiate yourself from the competition, find some new angle, some niche, something different from the rest. Like this book does well because there's not a lot of Python programming books focused on black hat tactics. Anyway, I was kind of rambling there. What you might notice with this title is that I was able to stuff my keyword into my author credits. Now, why would I do that? Well, if someone were to ostensibly type up Python programming and looked for new results, I can't prove this, but somewhere in the Amazon algorithm, it will try to find Python programming as an author and thus perhaps bump up my listing ahead of others. So that is something that I did to help boost sales. I got the idea simply by seeing other authors use this tactic. Now, as I was saying just a bit ago, I tried doing this same type of tactic with my new book because I am a greedy cunt and it didn't work. Amazon quickly detected it and they basically would not allow the book to publish. I am having it republished without the contributing author here, and I will probably never try that tactic again. Just because you don't want to blow your business by doing one stupid block hack tactic. Thinking about it now, I shouldn't even have tried it with the book that I'm publishing today, but hey, whatever it takes, right? Now, again, I fully disclose I do not recommend using this tactic. I won't take responsibility if you ever get banned or reprimanded doing it. But if you want to do it, what you have to do is simply set your keyword as a contributor, as a contributing author to your title. This can be set both in CreateSpace for your paperback and for your ebook. That's all you have to do. As to whether Amazon will detect it, flag it, catch it, it's up to them. For my series on Python programming, it worked 4 times in a row. For my new book, nah. So that's all I got for today. I'm going to have some more new exciting content coming for you later this week. A lot of new keywords, a lot of potential news for y'all. So stay tuned. Thank you.